How to play Stumble Guys with friends. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can play the Stumble Guys with friends. So the very first step is to launch your Google Play Store. You can simply go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you can search for Stumble Guys and then you can install it and then play it. So while you open Stumble Guys on your phone, you will see there is the option of friends on the top left side on the left bar. So just tap on the friend option and then you will see you can connect to Facebook easily, and then you can also share to have more friends join you. So what you can do is you can simply copy the link and then share it to your friends on WhatsApp or in any other platform. Either you can connect to your Facebook and then send the invitations to your Facebook friends. So this is how you can simply add by just tapping on the add option, which is on the top right side right here. So I hope you like the video and know how to add the friends on Stumble Guys. So if you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below.